Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now by isolating variables. Unplug all non-essential peripherals and power cycle the machine. If Windows keeps looping, force 3 interrupted boots to reach the recovery environment. Once there, choose Troubleshoot right arrow Advanced Options, right arrow Startup Settings, and boot into safe mode with networking. You do this to load a minimal driver set and rule out third-party drivers or startup apps. While in safe mode, open Event Viewer and Task Manager to note crashing services and suspect processes for the next steps. Once in safe mode, run System File Checker and DISM from an elevated command prompt so Windows Repair can fix corrupted system files. Next, review Device Manager. Roll back or uninstall any drivers installed right before the loop started, especially video or storage drivers. Also, open msconfig to disable non-Microsoft services and startup apps, then reboot. You do this to isolate whether software or drivers trigger startup failures, and to create a clean state from which to test reinstallations or update sequencing. If troubleshooting points to system corruption you cannot fix, try System Restore to a known good point or uninstall recent feature updates. These often resolve loops caused by bad updates. If that fails, attempt a repair install using Windows installation media to preserve files and apps, and only then consider reset or clean install. Make sure you back up user data first. If problems persist, a key tip: test the hardware, run memory and disk diagnostics. Faulty RAM or SSDs commonly cause recurring boot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.